Hello everyone, this is Lokesh from third year biotechnology. Today I am going to speak about big data and advanced analysis. One of the most important technologies transforming industries, science, healthcare, business and everyday life. We live in a digital world where enormous amount of data are generated every second through smartphone, social media, online transaction, sensor, satellite, healthcare system, industries and scientific research. This huge collection of information is called big data. However, collecting data alone is not useful. The real value comes from analyzing the data and converting into meaningful insights. This process is known as advanced analysis or advanced analytics. In this presentation, I will explain meaning of big data, characteristics of big data, sources of big data, technologies used in big data, meaning of advanced analytics, type of analytics, application in different industries, advantages and challenges, future scope, conclusion. Let us deep dive into big data. Consider people uses more number of things in What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large and complex data set that cannot be managed traditional data processing tools. These data sets are generated continuously and they grow rapidly. Simple definition is big data is a large volume of structured and unstructured data generated at high speed from multiple sources. Example: social media posts, YouTube videos, online shopping records, medical records, sensor data from industries, GPS tracking data, banking transaction, and using phone calls. For example, Google processes billions of searches daily. Facebook and Instagram handle millions of photos and videos every every hour. Hospitals generate patient record and imaging data continuously. Characteristics of big data: the five main V's. Big data is commonly explained using the five V's. Volume. Volume refers to the huge amount of data generated. Example: terabytes, petabytes, and exabytes of data. Netflix store massive video streaming data. Second one, the velocity, speed at which data is generated and processed. Example: live stock market, live stock market updates, social media feeds, online banking transaction. Real-time processing is very important. Variety, different forms of data types: structured data, tables and spreadsheets; semi-structured data, XML, JSON; unstructured data, images, videos, audio, and text. Veracity, accuracy and reliability of data. Poor quality data can be produce wrong conclusion. Accuracy and reliability of data is in veracity means poor quality data can be produced a wrong conclusion. Value. The value is nothing but useful insights obtained from data. Data becomes valuable only after analysis. Sources of big data. Big data comes from many sources: social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. These are the social media platform that can generate big data. Business transactions include e-commerce website, banking system, and online payments. Generate also big data in terms of people. Internet of Things (IoT). Smart devices and sensors generate continuous data. For example, if you took an health monitoring system in a household, these sensors can generate second to second data by measuring the person's BPM, SpO2 levels. So examples: smart watches, smart homes, industrial sensors. Healthcare systems, electronic health records, medical imaging, and diagnostic reports. These are the terms that generates millions of data in every second by in terms of people. The other demands are scientific research, genomic research, space space research, climate studies. In the field of space research, there are millions of kilometers and millions of stars are available are stayed in our sky. These are the if the one person is try to understand the studies and level of the stars, that would be more tougher, even more tougher that compared to healthcare studies. For technologies used in big data, these are the technologies that are used in Hadoop. Hadoop is one of the technologies used in big data. Several technologies are used to store and process the big data. The Hadoop is one of the main technology. Hadoop is Hadoop is a framework used for distributed storage and processing of large data sets. Components: HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. MapReduce, MapReduce. It is used to data processing model. Yarn, resource management. Advantages of Hadoop: scalable, cost effective, reduce, handles huge data sets. The second most technology is used to analyze the big data is Apache Spark. This is a fast processing insight for big data analytics. Big data analytics. Its features relies on faster than Hadoop may reduce, Hadoop MapReduce, real-time processing, machine learning support. Third one is no SQL databases used for handling the unstructured data. Examples include MongoDB, Cassandra, and HBase. These are the examples that is used to analyze the NoSQL datasets. Fourth one is cloud computing. Cloud platform provide storage and computing power. Examples include Google Cloud, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. These companies copies the cloud, AWS, Microsoft Azure, also the companies that provide Google storage for the cloud storage for the people who uses and Android phones. Cloud computing reduces infrastructure cost. Then, what is advanced analytics? Advanced analytics refers to the use of statistical method, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and the predictive models to analyze data and make intelligent decisions. It helps in organization predict future outcomes, identify patterns, improve decision making, automate the processes. Types of analytics. There are four major types. Descriptive analytics. Types of analytics. Here are the four major types in used to analyze the big data. Descriptive analytics. It summarizes past data. Examples: monthly sales report, attendance analysis. Diagnostic analytics. It defines cause of problem. Example: why sales decreased, why machines failure occurred. Predictive analytics uses machine learning and statistical method. Example: weather forecasting, disease prediction, stock market trends. Prescriptive analytics suggest actions for better outcome. Examples include route optimization in logistics, business strategy recommendation. Machine learning in advanced analytics. This is an important part of advanced analytics. It allows learn from system to learn from data automatically. Types of machine learning. Supervised learning. This uses labeled data. Examples include scam email detection and disease classification. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns. Example: customer segmentation, recommendation systems. Reinforcement learning. System learn through rewards and penalties. These are the examples of robotics and self-driving cars. Application of big data and advanced analytics. These are the applications include big data is healthcare. Healthcare in big data improves disease diagnosis, drug, dis- drug, drug discovery, personalized medicine, and patient monitoring. Example: our system analyze medical images for cancer detection. Banking and finance applications: fraud detection, risk analysis, customer behavior analysis. Banks use analysis to detect suspicious transaction instantly. Retail and e-commerce companies analyze customer preferences. Example: Amazon product recommendation, personalized advertisement for if they are used socks in their search panels or shoes in their search panels or any other app that shows the related ad to the another feed. Education. Analytics helps to student performance monitoring, online learning improvement, personalized education system. These are the main important in healthcare. Big data is agriculture. Agriculture field farmers use data for crop prediction, soil analysis, weather forecasting. This improves productivity. Manufacturing industries. These industries use big data in predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain management. Social media analytics analyzes to public opinion, user engagement, trending topics. Companies use this for marketing strategies.
Mm.
Biotechnology and genomics. Big data helps to DNA sequencing, protein analysis, and drug development. This is highly important in modern biotechnology. Benefits of big data and advanced analytics. Better in decision making. Organization make accurate decision using self data driven insights. Increased efficiency. Automation improves productivity. Cost reduction. Productive maintenance reduce repair cost. Improved customer experience. Personalized services increase customer satisfaction. Innovation. Data analytics helps to development of new products and technologies. Challenges of big data. Despite advantages, there are challenges. Data security. In security, protecting sensitive information is difficult. Privacy issues. These are the common and most arising problem in data analytics. Personal data misuse is a major concern. Storage problem. Huge storage, huge storage infrastructure is required. Data quality. Incorrect or incomplete data affect results. Skilled professional requirement. Require trained data scientists and analysis. Ethical issues in big data. Ethical use of data is very important. Issues include unauthorized data collection, bias in AI system, data misuse, risk of transparency. Organization must follow ethical guidance and data protection laws. Big data and advanced analytics future scope. The future is highly promising in artificial intelligence integration. This will improve automation and decision making. Real-time analytics. Faster analysis for immediate actions. Smart cities. Traffic, energy, and public services will use data analytics. Healthcare revolution. Precision medicine and AI diagnosis will improve healthcare. Industrial automation. Industries will use predictive systems and robotics. Role in biotechnology. Since biotechnology increasingly depends on computational tool, big data has major importance. Application: genome sequencing, protein structure identification, drug target prediction, bioinformatics analysis. Advanced analytics accelerates the biological research and personalized medicine. Why we use big data analytics in daily life? Big data analytics is used in daily life to collect, process and analyze huge amount of information so that better decision prediction and personalized services can be provided quickly and efficiently. Today, almost every digital activity generates data and the companies use analytics to improve user experience, safety, convenience and productivity. Daily life applications of big data analysis. Social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok uses big data analysis to recommend data, video and post, show personalized advertisement, identify trending topics, improve their user engagement. Examples. When you're watching a cooking video on YouTube, similar videos recommend based on your interest. Online shopping. E-commerce website like Amazon and Flipkart. These companies analyze customer behavior to recommend products, predict customer preferences, offer discounts, improve delivery systems. Example, customer who bought this also bought recommendations. Similar recommendations are on other apps include Instagram and Facebook. Healthcare. Hospitals and health apps use big data to monitor the patient health, predict disease, maintenance medical record, and improve treatments. Example: smartwatches track heart rate and physical activity continuously. Banking and digital payments. Banking and digital payments. Bank use analytics for fraud detection, securing the online transaction, credit score analysis, and personalized banking services. Example: if usual activity is detected in your account, the bank alerts you immediately. Navigation and transports. Apps like Google Map, Uber, Ola use real-time data analysis to predict the traffic, suggest shortcut routes, estimate the arrival time. Example: Google Map change routes automatically during traffic congestion. Entertainment platform. Netflix, Spotify, and other streaming services use analytics to recommend movie and songs. If your favorite songs is liked in this, they recommend you frequently. Understand user preferences. What they like is continuously recommended. Improve content quality. Example: Netflix suggests movies based on your watch history. Education platforms. Online learning platforms use big data to track the student performance, personalized learning, recommend study materials. Example: educational apps suggest quizzes based on your week topics. Weather forecasting. Departments like meteorological analyze huge data sets from satellites and sensors to predict weather, warn about storms and floods. Example: daily weather update on smartphone. Smart devices and IoT. Smart homes and wearable devices use analytics for energy management, health monitoring, and automation. Example: smart AC system adjusts temperature automatically. Public safety and security. Public safety and security. Government and the organization use big data for crime analysis, traffic management, and emergency response detection. Importance of big data analytics in daily life. Better decision, better decision making helps organization and individuals to make informed decisions. Personalization provides customized services based on your behavior and interest. Time saving, automative tasks and improve efficiency. Improved safety, detects fraud, cyber threats, and health risk quickly. Convenience makes everyday activities easier and faster. Conclusion: big data analytics has become an essential part of modern life, from social media and healthcare to Big data analytics has become an essential part of modern life, from social media and healthcare to banking and transportation. It helps organizations analyze large amount of data information to provide smarter, faster, safer, and more personalized services. As technology continues to grow, big data will play an even bigger role in our daily activities and future innovations.